Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, fitness enthusiasts. If you love your Garmin watch and enjoy virtual cycling on Zwift, you are in the right place. Connecting the two lets you bring your valuable heart rate and power data directly into your indoor workouts. It is a fantastic way to make your training more accurate and engaging, providing a truly integrated experience. You will be surprised how much better your sessions feel with precise readings. Before we dive in, let us quickly confirm what you will need. You will want your Garmin watch, of course, along with the Zwift app installed on your computer, tablet, or smart TV. Most modern Garmin watches broadcast heart rate and sometimes power or cadence via ANT Plus or Bluetooth, which is exactly what Zwift looks for. Make sure your watch's settings allow for this broadcasting, often found under sensors and accessories. Okay, let us get started with the actual pairing process. First, open the Zwift application on your device and log into your account. Before you jump into a ride, you will see a pairing screen. This is where Zwift searches for available sensors. At the same time, ensure your Garmin watch is turned on and, if necessary, actively broadcasting its heart rate or power data. Sometimes, starting an indoor cycling activity on your watch helps it begin broadcasting correctly. Now on Zwift's pairing screen, you should see your Garmin watch appear under heart rate or power, if applicable. It will likely show up as Garmin followed by a series of numbers or its specific model name. Simply click on your watch to select it. Once connected, a clear green checkmark appears, indicating a solid link. If it does not appear immediately, just give it a few moments or try restarting the Zwift app or your watch. With your Garmin watch now successfully paired, you will see your real-time heart rate and any other data it broadcasts displayed right on the Zwift screen during your ride. This integration means you are training with more accurate data directly from your trusted Garmin device. It truly enhances your virtual cycling experience, making every pedal stroke count even more. Enjoy your ride and achieve those Zwift goals with precise feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.